Have you ever wanted to give up after failing? You're not alone. Failure is something we all experience. But what if I told you it's not the end? In fact, failure is a critical part of the journey to success. In this video, we'll uncover why failure isn't something to fear but rather something to embrace. From building resilience and humility to fostering creativity and innovation, failure has the power to transform us in ways we never imagined. If you've ever doubted yourself after a setback, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll see failure in a whole new light and understand why it's an essential stepping stone toward achieving your dreams. Failure as a tool for growth. Many view failure as a negative experience, but it's actually one of the most powerful tools for learning and self-improvement. Every mistake is an opportunity to analyze what went wrong, adjust our approach, and grow stronger. Some of the greatest innovators, like Thomas Edison, faced repeated failures before achieving success. Each setback brought them closer to breakthroughs that changed the world. Without failure, progress would be impossible, as it forces us to challenge ourselves, think creatively, and step outside our comfort zones. By embracing failure as a teacher rather than an enemy, we turn setbacks into stepping stones toward long-term success. Failure as a stepping stone to success. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a key part of the journey. History is filled with individuals who faced multiple failures before reaching greatness. J.K. Rowling was rejected by numerous publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Steve Jobs was once fired from Apple, only to return and revolutionize the tech industry. These stories prove that failure can be the turning point that leads to success. Each failure forces us to rethink strategies, refine our skills, and push boundaries. Without failure, innovation would stagnate, and new possibilities would remain undiscovered. Failure builds adaptability. One of the most underrated benefits of failure is its ability to make us more adaptable. When things don't go as planned, we're forced to reassess, pivot, and find alternative solutions. Adaptability is a crucial skill in both personal and professional life. Businesses that refuse to evolve with technological advancements often fail, while those that embrace change thrive. Likewise, individuals who can quickly adjust after setbacks are more likely to succeed in an ever-changing world. By seeing failure as an opportunity to develop problem-solving skills and resilience, we equip ourselves to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Failure shapes character. Failure doesn't just teach lessons, it shapes who we are. It builds resilience, humility, patience, and determination, all of which are essential for long-term success. Getting back up after failure strengthens our mental and emotional fortitude. It reminds us that success isn't instant, it requires perseverance, discipline, and a willingness to keep moving forward. Athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists alike all face setbacks. But those who use failure as motivation ultimately achieve their goals. Embracing failure as part of the process helps us grow into stronger, wiser, and more compassionate individuals. Failure as a source of motivation. Instead of letting failure discourage us, we can use it as fuel to push forward. When we fail, we're given a clear view of where we need to improve. This can ignite determination and drive us to work even harder. Many successful people have used failure as motivation to prove themselves. Whether it's an athlete training harder after a loss or an entrepreneur refining their business after a setback, failure can serve as a catalyst for progress. By shifting our mindset, we can turn every failure into a stepping stone toward success. Failure teaches humility. Success can sometimes lead to overconfidence, but failure keeps us grounded. It reminds us that we don't have all the answers and that learning is a lifelong process. Experiencing failure fosters humility, allowing us to appreciate the support of others and recognize that success is rarely achieved alone. It also makes us more empathetic toward those facing similar struggles, strengthening our connections and relationships. Failure doesn't define us, it refines us. When we embrace it with an open mind, we become more self-aware, resilient, and prepared for future challenges. Failure is a necessary part of success. The road to success is paved with failures. Every great achievement is built on lessons learned from setbacks. Instead of fearing failure, we should view it as a natural and necessary part of growth. Failure provides feedback, builds resilience, encourages innovation, and helps us align our goals with our true passions. The most successful individuals understand that setbacks are not the end of the road. They are stepping stones leading to greater achievements. So, the next time you experience failure, remember this: it's not the end, it's a new beginning. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and come back stronger. Failure teaches resilience, creativity, and perseverance, reminding us that success is a journey, not a destination. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Instead, embrace it as a powerful tool that will guide you toward your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and success. And remember, failure isn't falling down. It's refusing to get back up. Keep going, and your success story is just around the corner.